अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट। इंग्लिश में थर्ड के सवालात पेश किए जा रहे हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 19, इंफॉर्मेशन ट्रांसफ़र टेक्स प्लेस इन डायरेक्शन। आंसर, 2 डायरेक्शंस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 20, इफ़ ए स्टूडेंट्स आंसर स्क्रिप्ट is evaluated by 2 examiners, they must award nearly the same number of marks. Then we can say that this test is answer reliable. Question number 21, substitution drill is a technique used in answer practice new language. Question number 22, articulatory phonetics deals with answer production of sounds. Question number 23, a diphthong could be described as a combination of answer 2 pure vowel sounds. Question number 24, which is the first stage among the following in planning a lesson? 4 options. Number 1, presentation stage. Second, feedback stage. Third, performance stage. Fourth, practice stage. Answer, presentation stage.